Let me show you what maps and navigation looks like on the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. If you actually compare this stuff to the previous Galaxy Watch, maybe Galaxy Watch 6, 5 and 4, the maps are absolute joy to use on this watch because we literally have 3 times more powerful CPU compared to the older Galaxy Watch essentially. So everything flies, and again very easy to use and very fast. So let's go in our maps. Okay, and once you essentially launch, as you see on the top, you can simply search for some things, or also you can literally open up your map and simply explore around you. So you see, I literally have a full-blown map over here. Let me actually zoom in. So you see, and covers like the whole world. Also on this watch we are able to download offline maps as well, so you can navigate offline as well. I will show you that a bit later. So for example, if you want to simply navigate somewhere, simply literally click there. So you see it offers basically so the fastest route by car, even by walking, even by biking as well, if it's available. So if I press that, yep, okay. And you see basically it actually starts me this direction over here and will basically guide you. But also you see you can also click this button over here and it will also like give you this guidance basically. So the regular way you see, it will give you basically turns where you need to go, the next turns. So yeah, just yeah, absolutely awesome in my opinion. So yeah, and if you're wondering what countries are actually available on the maps, so again, literally every country basically in the world is actually available here. So let's exit this. So again, if you maybe press the search button over here, so you can search for maybe local things. Yeah, not sure. So can we search for ATMs? No idea. Yep, it actually shows literally all my nearby ATMs here, so I can quickly navigate. Again, you can simply enter any street name and we have the last locations. Also you see, you can also find your nearby like restaurants, for example, and I think you can even maybe see reviews as well on the restaurants. Not exactly sure, but you see, you can easily click this and will like navigate basically to that. We even have phone number for the restaurant here, all the information. Yeah, how cool is that? And also, so if you actually want to also use offline maps, so as you see, you have this function over here. So we have to click this button over here and then on your phone. So you're on your phone, this window will actually appear. So we can click select your own map here, and then you simply need to select the area you want to download. So there is actually a limit basically of these offline maps. So I guess you simply need to like, if you maybe want to like get offline map of maybe like Poland, again you would have to do it maybe like 3 times. As you see, this area takes 415 megabytes. So again, click literally download, it will prepare the map essentially and it will send over, yeah, basically to your watch. So this watch has got 32 gigabytes of internal storage, so you can actually load pretty decent amount of maps, I guess, in the watch. And yeah, definitely when we actually compare just how insanely smooth the maps are compared to the previous Galaxy Watch, then there is like absolute crazy insane difference. So if you compare the past Galaxy Watch 7, it would be very similar, but again, if you have basically Galaxy Watch 6, 5 and 4, there is absolutely massive difference how insanely smooth these maps are on this watch. So yeah, and we literally get all these maps for free, so again you do not have to pay anything to download them as well. So yeah, absolutely amazing system. And if we also compare to Apple Maps, again I think these are way better maps as well. Also when it comes to GPS log times, also I find this watch has absolutely great GPS. So it does get this dual band GPS, and actually after using this watch for a while now, so yeah, GPS also is very good, so you can easily like even drive with this watch. So, and again it will actually give you good results. By the way, Samsung sent me extra $50 discount link for you that you can use to get this watch much cheaper. For example, you can pick up the smaller guy, which I have over here, for literally a bit under $300 if you use a special discount link in the description. Also, if you follow that link, you also receive extra trading deals. So again, enhanced trading deals actually. For example, if you trade in your past Galaxy Watch 7, you can receive like 200 back, making this watch cost only like $100. Also, I checked, you can pretty much trade in any of your old Galaxy Watch, such as 6, 5, 4, and even older, for very good deals as well. By the way, after you click the special discount link, you have a strict 30-minute time limit to actually make the purchase, otherwise this extra $50 off discount will expire. So again, maybe only click the link when you are actually ready to purchase the watch. Anyway, good luck.